Welcome to Dorman Products Chrome Wheel Nut Buying Guide. To help with the purchase of chrome wheel nuts, here's a quick look at how to identify your original lug nuts on your vehicle and how to choose the proper set at the time of order. First, locate and remove one lug nut from the vehicle. Next, examine the current lug nut and wheel. Be sure to take note of the diameter of the lug nut hole in the rim, as this will need to be large enough to fit both the new lug nut and the socket. After the size is determined, identify the lug nut seat style and overall length. There are 4 seat styles available: conical, ball, mag, and flange. If the lug nut removed is identified as an open-end nut, be sure to take note of the stud length. Finally, use the provided thread checker to identify your lug nuts and thread type. Select the Dorman Chrome Lug Nut set that best fits your needs and your car's style options. To complete the installation, be sure to use proper torque specifications to properly tighten the new lug nuts onto your vehicle.